Hey YouTube, I'm back again with another build, and today I have a master grade Infinite Justice. Push them over some. Yeah, I just got finished putting them together today. Trying to wrap things up and make a video for you guys and gals. Took me about 3 weeks to make him. I sprayed the inner frame with a Tamiya silver titanium. For the black, I use Tamiya flat black. And let me see what else. For the yellow, I use Tamiya's flat yellow XF3, and I shaded it with Tamiya's clear orange. I'm gonna show you guys right here. And I did it along the vents. First time doing it. And I did it up here. The camera's not really picking it up. Where you can see that right here on the antenna by the edges. Yeah, you can see it better in person. Yeah, you kind of see it right there on the edges, like subtle. And for the chrome part, the shiny part, I used all-clad airframe aluminum. And you can see it right here. I sprayed it right here on this piece right here. Yeah, you can see the reflection. And right here also. I should have shot this too, but I wasn't thinking. I shot this with a Tamiya gunmetal. The little vents right here. I should have did it with the airframe. And I coated it with the aqua gloss. Love the way it came out. And for the blade right here, I use all-clad chrome. And I also top coated that with aqua gloss. And you can see the reflection right here in the back too, look. Airframe aluminum. For the pink, I used Tamiya's pink X17. And I mixed it with red. It just depends on how you like it. I was trying to go anime accurate. The shading, I shot it with a Tamiya gray, light gray, or neutral gray. And for the purple, I used Tamiya's purple X16. And I mixed that with the Tamiya's whole red. I could have mixed it with the black, but I didn't want it too dark. So I kind of mixed it with the whole red, try to give it a reddish, purple reddish look. And that's how it came out. Gave it a darker red. And for the green, I shot everything with the Tamiya silver titanium. Then I used the Mr. Metallic, the 205, the dark green. Yeah, it's right there in the background. Right there. 205, Mr. Metallic Color, GX series. I did the vents and stuff. Same thing. Same process. And for the white, I did the same thing. I shaded it with a light gray. To me, a light gray, neutral gray, and I shot it with flat white. Really had no issues with the build. It was just straightforward. And I got the water slides on for it. Really took me about 2 weeks. The first week was just processing of what I wanted to do, what colors I wanted to mix. Did I want to go with a metallic color or with a flat looking? Because I did the Aegis. Let me see, let me try to get him. Right here. Move him over to the side a little bit. See, I did the Aegis with the GX series metallic peach 212. And this is the result right here. Move him out the way a little bit. I kind of love how it looked. I know I got regular stickers. I'm gonna just peel them off and put the water slides on. And I shot him with a all clad gloss afterwards. I was just debating, should I go with this look? But I'm happy with this. Overall, I sanded everything down in like what, a couple hours? 2 hours the most? I could probably done everything in 2 weeks, to be honest with you. But I had to go to work and deal with everyday life. 3 weeks, straightforward. Yeah, I chose this look because I like I guess the worn out look, the shaded look. Wanted to do a video right before Christmas. Just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope you guys got everything ready for Christmas. Your Christmas presents for your loved ones out the way. And have a little bit of time to yourselves. I enjoy doing this. It gives me a little peace of mind. Escape reality, I guess, sometimes for a little bit. Yep. So I do have to. I guess my next build is gonna be the ashtray second frame. I might do something fun with him. Maybe a whole nother color. I got the impulse, the sword impulse, and the destiny. That might kind of wrap up the my seed wall. Mostly the main characters I got already. And after that, I probably could start doing my endless. endless builds, endless vaults. I'm still missing the Tall Geese 3 and the Heavy Arms custom. I got the Sandrock. I got the original Sandrock, but I'm gonna do a custom color, and I'm gonna change him to the purple color. I got the black one, but I'm gonna change him over to the purple one. Basically the same thing. Okay, I'm not gonna try to hold y'all guys up. I just wanted to share this build with you. If you guys got any comments, just like I said, just give me a comment, and I get the notification and stuff, and I'll just whatever respond. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and happy holidays. Happy building also.